Hi there, I'm Coral.
Hello, I'm Lindsey.
And we are here today, completely unscripted yet again, to continue talking about the easy process. This time we're going to talk about aftercare and servicing. So if you haven't seen them already, you might have missed our videos on the sales process.
Yeah, we covered the sales inquiry, installations of the lift,
and the ordering. And installation.
Yes.
So now we're on to aftercare. So the stairlift's been fitted.
Yeah.
What happens next?
Yes. So the engineers have gone. They've left the pack.
You can ride on your stairlift safely.
Yeah. We've covered all of that.
What happens?
They've paid the balance. But we don't forget about you.
Yeah.
You don't. You go on a very important servicing list.
Yeah. So all of our customers, so we have our own bespoke customer software that we use.
Yeah.
It's very good. Even though I say so myself.
Well, very well done. Well
done. So what we do is we make sure all of our customer details are on our system.
Yes. So as soon as that lift is installed, that's when the warranty starts.
The warranty starts when the lift is installed, So you will get a warranty period with your lift.
Yeah. So reconditioned, you get standard.
You get a year's warranty.
And with a brand new, you get
2.
Yep.
Their servicing as well is sort of included in the 2-year warranty, and you can also buy extended warranties as well if you want.
Yeah. And we do offer that to reconditioned lifts as well.
Yes. We do, because we are confident in the quality of the reconditioned lifts that we put out as well. If you have a rental lift from us, the aftercare and the servicing and everything is all included in it anyway.
For manufacturing,
you're paying your monthly fee. If you've got your warranty, it's covered for manufacturing defects.
Yeah.
So that's all good.
Yeah.
So if you have a problem, what happens then? So we
So
hope you're not going to have a problem.
No.
But sometimes it does happen because these are mechanical pieces of equipment.
Yeah.
Sometimes it could be that it's accidentally being switched off.
So
which
many
is
different reasons.
Quite a lot.
Yeah.
We do get quite a lot of those. But the first thing to do is, if you notice a problem on your lift, to pick up the phone and let us know about it.
As minor as what you might think, or as serious as what you might think. Just at least we can record it as well.
We can make sure that we can sort of give you advice over the phone. So you'd bring us up, and then we would you could describe what sort of symptoms you're getting.
And we'd ask you questions as well to help us ascertain what the issue is.
Sometimes lifts have diagnostics.
They do.
On them,
it tells you what.
It'll tell you. So
brilliant.
if you look in the user manual, it will tell you.
Some of them do actually say like it could be travelling up or travelling down, like what the lift is doing. But like you say, it does sometimes give little codes or little numbers or letters or stuff to help.
So you can see what it is. So if you need a repair, we try and solve it over the phone if we could. So if it's a simple thing like, you've switched it off,
or the
it back
key
on again, or something
on,
like that,
or safety edge stuff.
So we could come out and send an engineer out. So we offer call outs in office hours and out of office hours as well.
We do.
That's 365 days a year. It is emergency call outs are available sort of evenings, weekends, bank holidays. So you just
they don't get through to a call centre.
Yeah, it gets
it's not
through
a call centre.
to the engineer who is on call.
How lucky are you?
Yeah. So the engineer would answer your phone call out of hours.
Yes.
So the most important thing is we obviously try and get there as quickly as we possibly can. If it's an emergency one, so the lift's off completely, we'll get there as quick as we possibly can, certainly within the same day. It depends what the engineer's got booked in and whether we can move jobs around or whatever. But we'll certainly be with you as quickly as we possibly can. We know and appreciate that you're using your lift, you're relying on it. And it is essential for you to be able to use a working lift, so we don't leave you, high and dry for days or weeks on end if you haven't got a lift working.
And we have a lot of parts in our stores. Like we carry most essential parts on our vans. But we do have a workshop here that we carry a lot of parts.
Can you imagine the size of the van if we carried all?
Oh God!
Every spare
We'd
part
need a convoy of vans, wouldn't we? We'd need
we'd need a huge
trailer.
Well,
because we do a lot of products, you see, because obviously it's down to the individual. We try and cover a lot of what people's needs are.
We use we have the most common used sort of parts on the van.
Yeah.
But that is not going to cover everything. So it might be that
we need to get this. We have to come back.
It might be that sometimes we need a return visit. Generally, we'll try and fix it the first time and get you up and running again. Other things that you need to think about, servicing. So your stairlift needs to be serviced, or it should be serviced.
Well, it's like a safety check, isn't it?
Service and safety check. There's a 24 point plus the batteries we check as well, so that's probably about 26 or something point checklist that we go through. So the engineer on a service visit will come and check the lift thoroughly, take the covers off, clean it all up properly, and make sure everything's all working correctly.
Absolutely.
So they'll give her a sort of thorough.
And he might make a few advisories. He might sort of say, do you know what, it works, it's operating fine, but you've got a slight crack in your casing. It doesn't stop the lift from operating. And you might be like, actually, yes, I didn't notice that crack, I want a new one, and we can order or come back. It's up to you, but it might be the fact, you know what, I'm all right, I might just get you back out in a couple of months. So we could leave advisories. It's a bit like a car, isn't it, when you get that service? It's very similar.
We also have on our super duper system that I told you about earlier, we have got, it is set up to look at service schedules. So we will automatically give you a call when your service is due.
It comes up on a list.
Or if your warranty is coming out, then we will also send you a letter
little reminders, don't we?
Go through the sort of warranty with you. You can get the extended warranty, like I said. It is really important, though. I can't stress enough how important it is to be able to get your stairlift service, because some people will say, oh, well, why should I bother?
It's peace of mind, though, isn't it?
It's peace of mind, but it's also safety as well.
Absolutely.
Because, you know, if you haven't had your stairlift serviced for 8 years or whatever, during the time if you've been using it and, you know, putting weight on it and moving around on it and things like that, there's a lot of wear and tear that could happen. The bolts maybe could come loose a little bit, and what we do is when we do service, tighten everything up, make sure everything's safe, all the safety edges are working correctly. But you just you don't have to have it or service.
No,
but
we don't.
It is recommended by British Safety Standards, which was written in the standards quite some time ago. And it does make sure that the lift is stairworthy. It makes sure that you're safe. I mean, you wouldn't go around in a car, driving it for 8 years and not have service.
Absolutely, but it's preventing.
It's the same thing.
It's preventing the inconvenience of a call out if needed. So if you've not tested your batteries for ages, obviously after 8, 9, whatever years, they're going to run flat. And if you ignore the signs or you don't get it serviced, it's going to be the most inconvenient time that lift is going to stop. So it's preventing all that from happening, really. So the batteries,
so all lifts are battery operated. So we will test the batteries on a service. So that's the main batteries. Things like the remote control batteries, that's something that you can change. It's like your TV remote control batteries, so you can change them over yourself. That's not a problem.
You know, if you look after your stairlift will look after you, and it will last longer for you. So just be kind to it.
Some people are so kind they even give their stairlift names.
They do. Oh gosh,
and they're very attached to them. So that's quite sweet to know that. Anyway, so we hope we've answered your questions.
If not, comment below.
And we can get back to you, or certainly give us a ring if you have any problems with your stairlift, or if you need servicing or talking about.
Or even if we've not installed it, we can come out and take a look.
That's repairs and servicing as well.
Yep.
We are trained on most manufacturers' makes and models. So we talked in our other video about making sure the engineers were fully qualified, that they're trained by the manufacturer. So we do send out engineers who have been fully qualified to do the job. Okay. So that's it for this video. We hope we've given you some food for
I think
thought.
we've covered everything.
I think so.
If not, let us know.
Yeah, you can always give us a call. All right, well, that's it for now. We'll see you on the next video.
Excellent.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah. Bye.
Bye.